Sanibonani, igama lami nguKhawunina wakamnguni. I'm the co-founder and chairperson of Threads for Ikasi Foundation. Namhlanje sila eNxiweni Primary School, where together with the Transnet Foundation, we are sponsoring 50 full school uniforms to learners abala esikolweni. And this is in honor of the late Principal Nozibele Dabu, as well as Miss Nobantu Njomboni. So we are so grateful for this opportunity, and we thank Transnet Foundation for their support in believing that no child should go to school without proper school uniforms. So I'm very excited and I'm grateful for this opportunity, because we get to honor these two amazing ladies who played such a significant role in our business as well as the foundation. And now today, we're here and I'm very happy. Yeah, Mfanelo, so I started, we started back in 2022 with these initiatives only because we realized firsthand that kids are going to school without proper school uniforms, and it touched our hearts, and we were like, what can we do to make sure that we are supporting abantwana on their educational journeys with regards to school uniforms? So we partner with corporates like Transnet Foundation, and they've helped us today to bring 50 full school uniforms to learners abalai Lokshin. To our team, to the Transnet Foundation, and to the School of Ingciweni, we are so grateful, and may the spirit of Principal Dabu as well as Miss Njomboni long live. Thank you so much.
Sanibonani, my name is Pamandla Mpikeleli. I'm the portfolio manager for the Corporate Social Investment Fund and fundraising within the Transnet Foundation. We are here today and we're honored to have partnered with Threads for Ikasi Foundation to support e-learners at Ingciweni Primary School with school uniform. That includes a school uniform, shoes, socks, a t-shirt, a golf shirt. This is in line with the foundation strategy to support our communities that are disadvantaged and not privileged, so that we can bring the dignity of every child as they go to school, that they are in a school uniform and proud to be learners and productive. Listen, it is an honor, just for me personally, in my personal capacity, but also just as a company, as Transnet Foundation, to be part of our communities. We are always privileged to be within our communities. And the message we're always driving is that the Transnet cares. The foundation cares about education. Like I said, it is our strategic pillar. It is it is in the heart, close to the heart of our GCE and our board and also our heads.
Molweni, igama lami ndinguMiss Phindi Webango, utitshalakazi walapha eNxiweni Primary School. Ndibulise abaphulaphuli kwakunye nababukeli bethembisa online. Namhlanje sindwendwelwe nguTransnet Foundation kunye noThreads for Ikasi Foundation ukuzokhumbula okanye ukuzoncedisana nathi ukukhumbula umem wethu onguprincipal futhi umem Dabu kwakunye no-administrator wethu uSisi Nobantu Njomboni abathe baphuma phakathi kwethu okanye salahlekelwa ngabo ebudeni bonyaka kulonyaka ophelileyo. Singabantu baseNxiweni, otitshalakazi baseNxiweni, ustaff waseNxiweni kunye wonke umuntu waseNxiweni, siziva sonwabile. Imini yanamhlanje kuthi ihlanganise ubuhlungu kwakunye novuyo, kuba siye sikhumbule amaqhawekazi ethu ngendima athe ayidlala. Ndiyakhumbula uSisi Nobantu ungumuntu ekudala wabambisana kwinto ye-uniform. Isaphuma kwaSASSA i-uniform yakhona wayincedisa kakhulu, ubencedisa nakwezinye isponsors. uSisi Nobantu ubethatha inxaxheba enkulu. Uprincipal wethu ke yena ubengumuntu onothando lwabantwana, bengafuni ukubona umntana onganxibanga i-uniform yesikolo. Eligalelo lithe lenziwa nguTransnet Foundation kwakunye no-Threads for Ikasi Foundation lisibeke kwizinga eliphezulu. Umzekelo, abantwana ngoku abasakwazi ukulova kuba ngoku babuyelwe sisidima sabo, bangabantwana abasithandayo isikolo kwaye nabahlobo babo, abanye babo bebengahoywa ngabahlobo ngenxa yendlela abanxiba ngayo. kodwa ngoku banabahlobo abaninzi kwaye naseklasini bahlala ngaphambili baye bafuna uba bathunywe nabo botishara behle besenyuka kuba kaloku ngoku banxibe impahla entsha. Loo nto ibabuyise into yoba nabo bakwazi ukuba phakathi kwabanye abantwana bamkeleke. Futhi okwesibini, abantwana bethu bangabantwana obabonayo uba baphantsi koxinezeleko ngelinye ixesha xa inganxibi iyunifomu, kodwa ngoku abantwana bethu uhlala ufumana uncumo kangangokuba ufumana uncumo bafika kwangoko kwalapha esikolweni. Siyabulela kakhulu ku-Transnet Foundation no-Threads for Ikasi. Into abayenze namhlanje sithi nangamso siswele imilomo asazi ukuba singathini. Siyamcinga umem kwakunye nosisi Nobantu ukuba ngebevuya kakhulu ngale mini yanamhlanje. Enkosi kakhulu.
Sanibonani zakhamuzi zaseThembisa, igama lami ngobusisiwe Mhlambi. Siphuma kwigroup esiyisungule ku Facebook, igama layo oku Excuse It Kings and Queens. Sihamba sidonate ezikolweni. Njengamanje sila esikolweni iSiziba, sizodonate icathulo, amasokisi, ama-pads kanye nama-pencil cases. So siyajabula ukuba kule ndawo noNkulunkulu abandisele la sithathe khona sikwazi ukuqhubeka nomsebenzi wethu. Ngiyabonga. Inhlangano yethu iqale 2021 yakhula yaqhubeka yaze yafika ku 2026. Isizathu sokudonate siye sihambe ezikolweni then sibone ukuthi kunabantwana abadingayo ukuthi sibasize ngenxa yokuxakeka kwabazali. Namanje njengoba size la iSiziba ngize ngoba abantwana bami bafunda la the most, so isikole ngisijwayele, so ngababona abanye abantwana ukuthi bayadinga, especially amantombazane aqala izimo zokuya esikhathini uthola ukuthi ekhaya akunalutho. So ngabona ukuthi mangicele egroupini yami Excuse It ukuthi ngicela size sizoba donatela icathulo kanye nama pads. Ngiyabonga.
Igama lami uThokozile Mahlaba, ifounder ye-Enos Bake. I-Enos Bake ngiqale ngo-2021 during COVID. Ku-Enos Bake sithengisa inhlobonhlobo zamakhekhe, like ikhekhe ongaliqabanga, ama-scones, ama-mixed biscuits, ama-biscuits, ama-birthday cake, ama-wedding cake, yonke inhlobo yekhekhe uyayithola e-Enos Bake. Ama-customer wethu yo athanda ama-mixed biscuit. Angithi ama-mixed biscuit like uthola inhlobonhlobo zamakhekhe ahlukahlukene, uthola i-chance yokuthi uteste yonke ikhekhe elikhona lama-biscuit. Aphinde ama-customer wethu athande ama-scones ngoba ama-scones wethu like a-soft, a-fluffy, amunandi. I-Enos Bake we offer ama-baking classes, ama-scones, ama-biscuit, ama-birthday cake nama-wedding cake. Nje mawufuna ukufunda ukubhaka ungeza e-Enos Bake. And e-Enos Bake we also offer ama-catering services. If unemishado, unama-funeral, any event, we do offer ama-catering services. Mawufuna ukufaka i-order lakho ungasithola ku 078-970-5364. Inamba le iye WhatsApp, uyakhona nokusifonela. Okay, sikhona na ku social media, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, Enos Bakes.